Welcome back, everyone, and moving right along. The next little drawing is kind of a little bit more challenging drawing than we've seen. It's the hanger jaw, and looks like it's cast iron, looking for weight, volume. For weight, I will take mass on this, is fine. Um, so let's get in here and start drawing this one. I'll do File, New, Inches, so it's standard IPT. And I'm just going to draw the profile of this thing out first and then go from there because we're trying to make it as efficient as we can. Hit my XY plane on the side here. We'll take off 2.75. Enter. Back that up. And now we're going to, looks like there's an angle there, aren't there? So what we got to figure is a couple things, and we'll come back to that. Sometimes it's easier to just go over here and go right up it. And this height there is 1.75 minus 1.25 is 0.5. Do y'all see that? So that step is 0.5 up. And I'm just going to put a line over this way, just a little ways, because I don't know for sure how that meets up. But what I do know is, by looking at it, there's a line coming straight across here, aren't there? And it comes down, and then it goes over, and then it ties back into this one. So I'm just roughing that in, and then I'll go ahead and put my dimensions in. Let's see here. And there's a little extra that I missed. It comes down a little ways, and then it ties in. And this is 1.75 all the way to the top. 1.75. Okay. This little guy right here is dimension. It is 0.5. All right. So far, so good. This right here should be 0.5 as well. So it kind of gets everything lined up. So this angle should be perfectly right because I fixed all of this. Now, there's a few other little things that we've got to figure. And okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some more stuff in here. And I really need to bring that line over. And I'm just going to bring this one straight up for the time being. And I'm going to extend this one over to that. So I really don't know a whole lot. Looking at the dimensions, I'm picking up some stuff along the way. 4.75. We know that. And we know if we come up here to the top, we're coming over. Oh, I just seen it, 4.5. I didn't see that before. So that's a good spot to fix it. Great. Yeah, I was way too far back there. So that really helps get that lined up. Another beautiful thing about this one is, right here is the center point of this 1.25 radius. So I can come right in here and 1.25, because we're working on diameter here on the circle, so you have to times it by 2 to make it diameter. Yeah, that fits. It worked right. Exactly where it should have. All right. Looking good, looking good. 4.5. And also, this right here, I need to know where that ends at. So it's 2 inches. Now, you can draw it however you guys want to, but this is the way that I'm just throwing it together. 2 plus 1.5 would be 3.5. So from this point to this, from here to here should be 3.5. Okay? So we got that in there. This is all done here for us. We'll trim that up a little bit there. And we're going to have a line that's 1/4 inch. Y'all see that 0.25, just a straight line over, 0.25. And then that line is going to come in here tangent. Y'all see that? When you just come over here and hover, and you'll see a little tangent symbol. You see it? A little circle with a line on it to show tangent. And then all you got to do is just trim this thing out. Oh, wait just a moment. That isn't right because it's coming over there, and then there's a radius of 1/2 inch. So I'm not finished with it. Undo. You got an undo button up here. All right. Oh, I went too far. So line, come back 1/4 inch, and it's showing that there's a radius of 0.5, and what I'm guesstimating here, and it looks like it, is I need to come down 0.5. And the reason I did that for is I need to put a radius of 0.5. So I can come in here and hit this up to there, which is a 1/2 inch radius. And now I can hit line, and I can hover around this. And it's not letting me hit my tangent there. But if I go up here to constraint, hit tangent. Well, I'm just going to take a line, come up here. And then you all see that there. I'm hitting that again, that tangent. All I have to do down this next one is hit constraint, tangent, catch this one. And that line will pull over, and I'll trim it all up. That looks a little bit better, doesn't it? So now I can finish my sketch. I can extrude it 3 inches. Okay. So got quite a bit of work done there, didn't I? Just off one sketch, just laying out the profile of this. Another tool, a little tool here, a modify, would be this fillet tool. We've done it before. Put your radius of 1.5 in. Catch that, and you can get that put in there just like that. So 2 steps, we're at that point. 3rd step, we haven't used it in a while. We're going to do it now. Let's use a point. It should be right in the center of that arc, center point. It all should be in there concentrically. So let's finish that sketch out. Use your hole command, and it is a through hole because it doesn't tell you a depth on it of 1.5. Through all. Okay, so there's your part. A little tricky one, no doubt, but that's what it would look like. And when you go to do its properties, right click on it, go to eye properties, physical, and this one's cast iron, so we got to find the cast iron. This is iron cast, apply, and then get all your information off of it. You can just give me the mass and the volume of it. We'll be fine. If you need any help with this one, just let me know.